Hi to everyone and welcome to this unboxing video. My name is Manlio and I'm a professional photographer based in Italy. Today I will show you my new Fuji gear and what you can find inside the boxes. In the next one video I will tell you something about my work, how I was working until now, and why I decided to buy a new Fuji camera instead of a new Canon DSLR. Let's start with the lenses. First of all, the Fuji XF35mm f2.WR. This is a very small lens. I will tell you in the next video why I choose this lens instead of the F1.4 version. Open. Okay. First, there is this sort of cleaning cloth that can also work as a bag. You can put your lens inside when you want to store it for a long time and protect it from dust. Very well made with the Fuji on it. Okay. There are also user manual, warranty cards, documents, and inside there is the lens hood, very small, and finally the lens. It's very small, very compact, all made with metal, and it feels very good in hand. This is his original lens hood, but in my opinion it's too small. I don't like it, so when I bought this lens I immediately bought also this lens hood from Fuji, metal lens hood for 35mm f2. It's made with metal, very well constructed, and when you put it on the lens, it had a lot of protection to the front of the lens, and it's also very nice, very vintage looking, you know, like some old Leica lens. And this is the 35mm f2. Another lens I bought is the 16mm f1.4 WR. This is equivalent of about 24mm on the full frame format. So let's go with the unboxing. The same cleaning cloth and documents as the 35mm, and under there is the plastic lens hood. This one is a regular hood like you can find for Canon lens, Nikon lens and so on. And inside the 16mm f1.4. Its weight is more than 35mm, but he has the same build quality. You can switch from autofocus to manual focus only moving the focus ring forward and backward. This is with the lens hood, very nice lens. Let's keep unboxing with the camera body, in this case Fuji X-T1. Okay, here we are with user manual, drivers and other documents. And under there is the camera, the flash. This version has this flash in the box. And under here there are neck strap, battery, some piece for the neck strap, some hooks and some protection for the camera, battery charger and the wire for the battery charger. Let's take a look at the camera. It feels very good in hand, very well made. I also ordered from eBay a screen protector because it has a very nice screen, but you know, I prefer to protect it with a screen protector. Let's put a battery inside. And a lens on it. Very well balanced. The lens is very heavy, but it's very hand-free to keep. Try to turn it on. Okay, language selection first. Where is Italian? Italiano. Okay, we have no memory card inside. Very nice camera. Okay, and then the last one box with the Fuji X-Pro2. This will be my main camera. I use the X-T1 as a second body with this wide lens, and the X-Pro2 as the main body with 35mm. Okay. Let's open the box. Very nice box with the Fuji X on this side. Okay. Same piece of paper as the X-T1. And under camera body, and under all box with neck strap, battery, protection for the neck strap, battery charger and wire for the battery charger. I've already unboxed it this one, so it already has the battery inside. Very beautiful. It's a little bigger than the X-T1, the body. It feels very good. It's very light compared to my Canon 5D Mark III, and also very well made. Let's put a lens on it. Very nice, very balanced, and with this lens the camera is very light, very compact, but at the same time you have a very good professional camera. Okay, in the next video I will tell you something about my work and why I decided to buy these Fuji cameras and these two lenses. Thanks for watching.